Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video, just a brief video, we are going to show you the palm trees in my garden that look like they are going to flower this year. Just at the moment, just showing you a couple of the Dicksonia antarctica crosiers coming up. Lovely to see this whole area waking up here. What I'll just do is take you over to the first palm tree and just show you some of the signs of flowers, which is always nice to see. So the first one coming into flower, guys, is the one just off the top of the house, and you can just see in here, guys, so that is going to be your flower spike. It does look like we've got a couple of them here. Now I did have to trim off one or two of the old leaves that got really battered on this one, but with that said, always nice to see that it is got some new green growth as well as putting out the flower spike as well. Just as we come down this way, one of the other large trachycarpuses that we got from B&M. This one here, again guys, you just look in there, we've got that flower spike coming up as well. Really cool to see. I love the kind of flowers that you get. Now, I'm unsure, guys, at the moment if these are male or female. These will be the first time flowering in my garden for these. As you may be aware, guys, we picked up some of the large palms last year, which have all gone through the winter absolutely fine. But with that said, yeah, it'd be the first time getting flowers in my garden this year from the new palms. Just as we come down this way, guys, the triple trunk chamerops you can see here, chamerops hummilis. You can just see loads of the flower sort of spikes coming up here. Again, the smaller of the two of the triple doesn't actually seem to be putting any up at the moment, but if I just come in here, you can see this one as well, the very small one has gone into flower as well, which is, again guys, it's always nice this time of year when, you know, all the kind of plants start to go into flower, or you know, get out those flower cones. Another one, guys, just coming up to here, and I'll just see if I can come around to it. A bit hard to get in. Just if I pull into here, guys, you can just see down there, and again, where my finger is, that's going to be another one of your flower spikes there as well. Again, very cool to see on the palms, and it's a lovely kind of yellow flower as well. Just coming down this way, guys, and you may have seen from one of our previous videos, we picked up this volcano just in the inside here. Just to show you, you can just see down the bottom. I got a couple flowers coming out of that one as well, and great to see on such a small plant. Lovely kind of white undersides and undertones to this one. Try and get out of the light so you can see. Very pretty little plant. We've got a new one also that went in just there, you can see. So one thing to mention here, guys, we are adding a new channel to our friends of the channel list. So for today's channel, if you guys can certainly check out Tropical Garden UK. He's actually very local to me, grows some amazing varieties and species of palms and all sorts of plants. What I'll do is be adding his latest garden tour on the end screen of this video, and we'll also have a link to the channel again in the comments below as well. Certainly go over, check them out, guys. Once again, great channel. I think I love the fact that all of our channels are so very unique, so you know, one channel is never going to be the same as another in the kind of gardening space. Also, guys, just to let you know, we have just put out a review on a Billing solar waterfall kit, so certainly check that out, guys. Certainly if you're interested in any of the ponds and waterfalls, great bit of kit there, and certainly worth having a look at on that side. But with that said, guys, of course, if you're not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so and join our amazing community. Of course, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.